Harvest Week filled every shelf in Sunny's seed bank. Crates rolled in from every field in Bloom Valley, and every shelf bin needed a pressed label saying how many seeds it held. Sunny's press told the truth the long way. A little slip for the ones, a little slip for the tens, then the slips put together, true every time, and slow. And the shelf label has room for one short line.
Caw! Then throw one slip away, Sprout. A label only needs one number. Press the bigger one and be done.
I am not throwing away anything true. I will keep both little sums and fold them into one short coat. The first bin took 2 crates, 25 seeds, and 34. My press splits that into 2 little sums. Which 2? Have a think. Start with the ones. 5 and 4 make 9. That goes on the ones slip. Now the tens. 20 and 30 make 50. 50 and 9 make 59. Watch another. 43 and 83. The ones make 6. The tens make 120. Put the slips together. 120 and 6 is 126. A little sum is allowed to be bigger than its own column. Your turn. 73 and 84. What goes on the 1 slip? What goes on the 10 slip? And what is the total? Pause the video and try. The ones make 7, and the tens, 7 tens and 8 tens, make 15 tens. 150. 150 and 7 make 157.
Caw! This order came in one long line. 64 plus 315. So I stacked it flush against the left edge. Tidy!
The edges do not decide. The places do. Slide the 64 right until its 4 sits under the 5. Ones under ones, tens under tens. And put the number with more digits on top, so the short row is easy to seat. For 85 and 67, both rows have 2 digits. Their right ends already meet, so every place has a partner. A stack that lines up adds itself. A stack that leans lies.
Then get on with it. 85 and 67. The ones make 12, so write 12 in the ones column. Done!
A column keeps 1 digit. The 2 stays. And the 10 trades up. I plant a flag of 1 over the tens, so that column knows it is coming.
A full 10 never stays in its column, little Sprout. It trades into the next place. And the flag is how that place finds out.
Now the tens. 8, 6, and the flag that arrived. 15 tens. The 5 stays, and the 100 writes itself at the front. 152. My long slip said 140 and 12. The same truth, folded into its coat. Here are 73 and 84 stacked. Which column can I finish first? And what is that column's whole job? Pause the video and try. Start at the ones and walk left. The ones column. Nothing arrives. 3 and 4 make 7, so the 7 stays and nothing is sent. Arrive, keep, send. That column is finished. Now the tens. Nothing arrives here either. 7 tens and 8 tens make 15 tens. 5 stays and 100 is sent to the front. 157. And if a ones column makes exactly 10, then 0 stays. A column with nothing in it still needs its 0. A blank would lose the place.
3 crates in 1 bin? Ha! Doesn't matter, Sprout. The flag is always 1. Everyone knows that.
The rule does not change when a stack grows taller. 148, 382, 275. Ones, 8, 2, 5. 15. The 5 stays and a flag of 1 goes up. Now the tens, and count the flag with them. 1, then 4, then 8, then 7. Work out the flag this column sends before I write anything. Pause the video and try. One and 4 and 8 and 7 make 20. 20 tens is 2 whole hundreds. So 0 stays, and the flag I send up is a 2. Hundreds. The 2 arrived, then 1, 3, 2, 8. 805. A tall column can fill 2 trays at once, and the next column counts both. By the afternoon, I had stopped adding anything until I had read the whole ticket once. Look at these 2 tickets and find every column that can reach 10. Pause the video and try. In 85 and 67, the ones reach 12, so they flag. The tens are sitting at 14. When the flag arrives, they reach 15, so they flag too. 1 flag can light the next. On the tall ticket, the ones reach 15. Their flag makes the tens reach 20, so that column sends a flag of 2. And the fronts, 1, 3, 2, plus that flag, make 8. The fronts say how big a total can grow, and this one grows no new front place.
Ka! My label for 85 plus 67 says 517. Prove me wrong, Sprout. You will have to add that whole ticket again.
One look at the ones. 5 and 7 end in 2. Your label ends in 7. Dead already. And one look at the fronts. 8 tens and 6 tens, flags and all, can never reach 500. Dead twice, and I never re-added a thing. Try it yourself. 73 plus 84, with a label of 154. The ones should end in 7, not 4.
A new dare. 2 empty seats, 2 tiles, an 8 and a 1. Seat them so the ticket needs no flag in the ones. Guess fast!
I will read the columns before I seat anything. If the 8 sits in the ones, 6 and 8 make 14, and that sends a flag, so the 8 cannot go there. The big tile goes in the tens, where it cannot hurt the ones. 86 plus 21. The ones make 7, and no flag at all. The front seat is worth 10 of the back one, so seat a tile by what each column can afford.
Then try an endless ticket. 2,323 plus 47. The big crate repeats its digits all the way across. You will be adding until the festival.
It repeats. 2, 3, 2, 3. The columns tell the same story twice, and your little crate only touches the last 2 places, so I walk that block. Ones. 3 and 7 make 10. 0 stays, and a flag of 1 goes up. Tens. 2, 4, and the flag makes 7. The front block never moves. 2,370. The last label went on the last bin before sundown. The twins walked my shelves looking for one wrong flag, and they found none. Read the stack before you work it. Start at the ones and walk left. For each column, count what arrives, keep 1 digit, and send the trade. Big sums are just little sums wearing a coat.